friends, welcome back to KP Study Corner. Today we are going to see some most important FAQ from the topic child labor. World Day Against Child Labor celebrated on. Answer: June 12. Who launched Child Labor Day and when? Answer: International Labour Organization in the year 2002. What is the aim of World Day Against Child Labor? Answer: the day aims to bring the problem of child labor to the attention of the people all over the world. What is child labor? Answer: child labor is work performed by a child under the age of 5 to 17 years. When was the first labor law passed? Answer: the year 1916. As per the Child Labor Act 1986, child means: Answer: a person who has not completed his 14 years of age. International Labour Organization founded on. Answer: the year 1919. Where is the headquarters of International Labour Organization? Answer: Geneva in Switzerland. In which year Gurupat Swami Committee has formed? Answer: in the year 1979. What is the theme of World Day Against Child Labor 2021 is? Answer: Act Now, End Child Labor. What is the number of child line? Answer: 1098. In which year the Government of India launched the National Child Labour Project? Answer: the year 1988. What is the theme of World Day Against Child Labour 2020? Answer: COVID-19. Protect children from child labour now more than ever. Which is the year for the Declaration of the Rights of Child? Answer: the year 1959. Which article of Constitution of India provide rights to education? Answer: Article 21A. When Right to Education Act 2009 came into force? Answer: 1st April 2009. The Child Labour Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986 is an example of. Answer: Productive Labour Legislature. As per the Child Labour Prohibition and Regulation Act, day means a period of 24 hours start from. Answer: midnight. What is the theme of World Day Against Child Labour 2019? Answer: children should not work in fields but on dreams. What is the full form of CSSP? Answer: Child Sensitive Social Protection. When is National Commission for Protection of Child Rights NCPCR was set up? Answer: March 2007. Where is the headquarters of the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights? Answer: New Delhi. National Policy on Child Labour formulated in. Answer: in 1987. In which year Pencil Portal was launched? Answer: year 2017. What is the full form of Pencil? Answer: Platform for Effective Enforcements for No Child Labour. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.